These APOMAO solar spotlights come in a three-pack and use dense arrays of light-emitting diodes to produce impressively bright, warm white illumination for trees, walls, and garden accents. Each unit combines an adjustable solar panel with a pivoting light head, so you can fine-tune both sun exposure during the day and beam direction at night. The built-in dusk-to-dawn sensor and two selectable brightness modes make the lights feel very hands-off, yet flexible enough for either strong accent lighting or a softer overnight glow. Their weather-resistant construction and high waterproof rating help them stand up well to rain, snow, and intense sunlight without frequent maintenance. Installation is straightforward because there is no wiring, and you can either stake the fixtures into soil or mount them on a wall depending on your landscape layout. Overall, this set offers an easy way to add reliable, energy-saving landscape lighting that looks welcoming and reduces dependence on wired outdoor fixtures.